I've got another little addition to that beer garden coming up today. Now what's happening this weekend, this Sunday, is it's the wife's birthday. So if you want to wish her happy birthday, just do so in comments below. Her name's Ginny. And what she said to me the other day was, because of the current climate, she don't want presents for her birthday. She doesn't even want a card. And we certainly don't do cakes. She said all she wants is a barbecue, because apparently the weekend's going to be nice. This annoying wind that's still raging on today, over a week later, apparently is dropping Saturday, Sunday, gentle breeze, which is great. So she says because of that, instead of presents, instead of cards, can I just have a few drinks and a barbecue in beer garden? Being as it's starting to come on and look something now. Of course I said yes, but I've got two little problems. First problem is I don't have a barbecue, and the second problem is I don't have money to buy one, the way things have been over the last 18 months or so. So I thought in that situation, rather than deny her that one request, I'll do what I normally do. I'll just go around the garden, in the sheds, behind the sheds, and I'll see what I can find and see if I can actually make one that'll serve that purpose. And while I was looking around at things that might be suitable, I came across this. It's an old shelving unit. It's a foldable one as well. You basically just loosen those bolts and it folds flat. And the other great thing about it is, these are the shelves. And the good thing about these shelves is, they just slide in like this. You just slide them in like that. And there's two of them. So one goes on that bottom part and the other slides in the top like that. And this has been stuck up back at shed, I don't know how long. I think probably got it from a car boot at some point over the last few years. But then I also found this. And it's an old metal tray. And it's got like legs, steel legs, welded to the bottom of it. Which is perfect for coals. But it is quite old and it's bent. So what I'm going to have to do is take it in garden and see if I can beat it into shape with an hammer. So a few minutes later, and two ringing ears, I've managed to beat it a lot straighter than it were. Now that's going to be perfect for holding the coals. So that would go like that. And of course there's always bricks hanging around garden, so we can raise it as well to what height we need. Something like that. But we can also use some chogs of wood. Got plenty of those kicking in garden. And I also found this at the back of the shed. An old metal rack. And it's definitely been used as a barbecue before because it's got burn marks on it. So that can just sit on top there. And the recommended distance from charcoal to grill is about 5 to 6 inches. And that's 5 inches. So that's perfect. And we've also got some of these. So we could just pop some of these in this bottom pan if we wanted to, or now we can just tip the loose coals in, because that'll work just as good as one of them. So for what was just a few bits of things in the garden that have been at Backett Shed, I don't know how long, we've utilised those and we've made ourselves a nice little barbecue. And it's foldable. So now Ginny can have a barbecue on Sunday and it's not cost us any money. Let's go and put it up there I was going to film this video outside in the beer garden today, but we just can't get rid of this wind. It's horrendous again. Probably noticed with trees behind me. So there would have been too much noise through microphone if I'd have been doing this outside. But we can now take it up and put it somewhere and see how it looks. So let's do that. And another good thing about this homemade barbecue is that the legs sink into ground, so we can make it perfectly level. And we've got that little fold up table which we can use to put the food on plates as it's cooked. So all in all, I think that's worked out really well. Now all I've got to do is cook the food. I've also got hold of one of these polystyrene box with a lid on it. These things are perfect for putting your beers in because it'll keep them cold. All we need to do is put it in that shelter out of the sun and the beer will stay cold for quite a while. And I did trial this last week. I even put a bag of ice cubes in here and they lasted quite a while. And again, that were free. So I think all in all, with a little bit of thought and some scraps out at garden, I think we've just made a really good thing there that's going to last a long time. And even better, we can fold it completely flat to put it in shed over winter. If wife's happy, I'm happy, and I think we've just pulled it off. So if you want to see what else we're doing in gardens, beer garden, container garden, over this coming bank holiday weekend, then just hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell, and we'll see you all there. You have a nice bank holiday.